My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2022 Cupra Born. This vehicle has done just under 15,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen, we can get quick access to navigation, media, Bluetooth, Apple and Android CarPlay, and our driving data. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.